You mentioned qualified gains. Can you speak to that really quickly? How do I know if my capital gains qualify?
If you are really wanting to understand this and what all the different nuances are, this is the most recent. You should be able to see this now. Download the file, the IRS reg guidance as of today or as of March. It is due to be updated again, we're told, by Treasury somewhere around June 1st. The simplest way to think about qualified capital gains here is capital gains that have not already been elected to some other vehicle, meaning like they're not letting you double dip, right? Which I think kind of makes a lot of sense and goes without saying. So you can't use some other tax code law to say, hey, my 100 grand, being elected over there, and then, oh, I'm also putting it into this fund and kind of getting double treatment. So there's a lot of language in this document around what's called Section 1256 contracts and straddles and offsetting positions and a bunch of really heady, nerdy stuff that fund managers, people that are already set up in those kind of things would need to realize and understand and work with their team on before they were confident that their capital gains qualified. But for most people, especially individual or accredited investors that maybe sold a property or sold some stock or had large gains in crypto, things that traditionally would not be available to reinvest without first paying the tax, you can move those capital gains into a qualified opportunity zone fund, and you can get these deferments and you can get these steps up in basis based on these holding periods, which ultimately can reduce your taxable liability, significantly.